I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Audi A1 headlights. First, park your car on a flat surface about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this impacts headlight aim. You'll need a screwdriver, usually a Phillips head, to turn the adjustment screws. These screws control the vertical and horizontal aim of your headlights, ensuring proper visibility and preventing glare for other drivers. Before you begin, measure the exact height from the ground to the center of your headlight beams. Transfer this measurement to the wall, drawing a horizontal line. Next, mark two vertical lines on the wall, directly in front of the center of each headlight. These lines will serve as your reference points for proper alignment, helping you achieve precise adjustments for both low and high beams. Now turn on your low beam headlights. Locate the vertical adjustment screw, typically on the top or side of the headlight unit. Turn this screw to raise or lower the beam until the top edge of the brightest part of the beam is just below your horizontal reference line. Then, find the horizontal adjustment screw and turn it to center the beam on its respective vertical line. Repeat for the other headlight. Once both headlights are adjusted, step back and observe the pattern on the wall. Ensure both beams are symmetrical and meet the reference lines appropriately. Briefly test your high beams to confirm they also align well. Finally, take your Audi A1 for a short drive, preferably at night, to verify the adjustments in real-world conditions. Make any minor fine-tuning adjustments if needed for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.